Look, we've already approached millionaires and billionaires getting out of supercars right out in the streets, but something crazy just happened, you guys. We just got invited to a billionaire's yacht to interview him and go watch the F1 race that's happening in Monaco right now. So come with us right now to go meet a Monaco billionaire, figure out how he got rich and what it's like living in Monaco. All right, you guys, we just got to our destination. We are at the Yacht Harbor out here in Monaco, you guys. We're going to be taking a 10-year out to the billionaire's yacht to interview him on how he got rich, you guys. Come on. Good to see you, man. Great to see you. Good, man. How are you? Good to run into you guys.
This is a place for you to come and use medication.
All right, you guys, we made it on the 10-year, man. We're out here in Monaco on the water. And before we were getting on the 10-year to go out to the yacht, we saw Tony Robbins, man.